since we reviewed our epidemiology bureau's surveillance of flu cases, and we've actually detected about July, August, about 17 cases that were determined to be of the new subclass of the super flu. All of them have recovered. So as you very well know, flu is a self-limiting illness unless meron kang medical condition, may cancer ka, may elderly ka. So we still recommend the use of the flu vaccine. Although yung super flu, yun yung sinasabi nila, it is able to avoid the flu vaccine. So kaya nga mas maraming serious conditions in North America and the UK where there is winter. So matindi, malamig na malamig kasi doon ngayon. So mas matindi yung flu cases nila. Our flu season actually is during the rainy season sa Philippines. So iba tayo. We have in our vaccine actually carries that influenza A.